Hey, it's Mark Ferguson with Invest for More, standing outside a house flip that we are currently working on. I'm going to do another update on this house. We've done a few of them, but we're getting closer now. They're in the middle of painting right now. So I'm going to show you what it looks like with everything masked off. This was a house we bought from a wholesaler, another flipper, for $156. Should be worth around $230, $225 when we're done. Spending very little on this, about $15,000 in work, and should be done fairly quick as well. So this is an easy one compared to most of what we do. We have from 10 to 20 flips going at one time, so it can be nice to have easy ones once in a while. Of course, check out investformore.com. We have much more information on our flips, rentals, all kinds of other good stuff going on. And it happened much sooner than I thought, but my new book is out and ready and published. So Build a Rental Property Empire was one of the first books I wrote, the first full-length books. And we sold 30-some thousand copies. It's been very popular. It's an audiobook, Kindle, paperback. And I just followed that up with Build a Commercial Rental Property Empire. So that's all about our commercial investing. I bought, 16 rentals from 2010 to 2015. They were residential. And then from 2017 to now, 2020, I've bought 11 more commercial rental properties. So this book goes over all of those properties, case studies on all of them, and all types of information on financing, buying, selling, finding deals, managing, and value add. So check that out. It is on Amazon right now. Okay, so as you can see, this house is right in the middle of being painting. Sorry, the lights are all taped off, so it's a little dark in here. We did paint the cabinets, and they are masked off right now, and I might be annoying to our painters and pull some of them off so you can see what they are. Oh, I can pull these back pretty quickly. So they're like a grayish green. I don't know if it shows up in that tint, but it's just a tad bit of green tint to it, mostly gray. They're kind of oak before, and we might have left them except they're beat up and they did need painted on the outside. So that is done. We will have some newer appliances, I believe. I don't know if they need to tape those off, but they did. You can see they taped off the fixtures. The flooring is already down, so that's all been taped off. And really, as soon as the paint is done, we're pretty much done with this property. All we did is a few touch-ups, painting the cabinets, redoing the floor. We are going to paint these countertops as well. And I'm gonna peek. Oh, they are, I don't think they're done yet. No, they're not done yet. So there is an epoxy paint you can use on those counters. We've done it before and it looks pretty decent. My last video, I mentioned getting new counters, but I had no idea what I was talking about. Sometimes I forget what's going on. So this is the master bedroom. Again, this is not actual sheetrock. We're in a manufactured home. It's kind of like cardboard panels, and they look like wallpaper, but you can just paint right over them. As you can see, if you spray, if you have decent painters, it looks just fine. And then in here, we have the master bathroom. We're keeping the floor in here, did not even have to redo it. So masked off everything that we're gonna keep. This carpet we're obviously not keeping, so we didn't mask that off. I think we had to replace a couple doors, that was all. We did paint the outside as well. And then we have two more bedrooms back here. So you can see these are mostly painted too. But yeah, it should be a very easy flip. Not a huge amount of profit, but for how quick and easy it is, I'll take these all day long. And saving the bathroom, saving the shower surround, toilet, all of that. And you can see the doors. We did, I think we had to replace a couple of these doors. You can see they're slightly different. These are the old, these are Home Depot, 6-panel doors, which are pretty cheap. They put even cheaper doors in the manufactured homes. And that's something you'll find in these properties all over. They just go as cheap as they possibly can. Just like the trim is, you know, an inch wide. And on the inside of the door, it has trim, but it's not even, doesn't have any design. It's just a flat piece of wood. Just anywhere they can, they save money to make these as cheap as possible. But if you know what the comps are, you know what other properties like it are selling for, you can still make money on them. All right, so that is the property. Once it's painted, cleaned up, we'll see if we want to stage this one or not. We might not. Well, it depends on kind of what else we have going on. And we'll get it listed for sale and see how things go. Things have still been selling very well, even with the coronavirus, COVID. Our market has been extremely hot. Stuff is selling right away. Have not had any problem there. So I don't expect there to be a problem with this one either. But obviously the quicker we can get on the market, the better. And should look pretty good once it's all done. Once we have the carpet down and then everything is unmasked, so it isn't all just one boring color. All right, thanks for watching. We'll be back with more videos soon. Like I said, I think we have 10 flips going now because we just sold one on Friday. The blue 4-level we sold that one very quick for full price, so that was great. We do have another one we're buying. It's kind of a farmhouse flip on 4.5 acres with another big red barn like one we did last year. And then we have some more rental properties under contract to buy as well, the River House and some crazy big weird commercial properties that I showed last week as well. So be sure to check those out. Love seeing all the new subscribers, the likes, the comments, so keep those up. And we'll be back with more soon.